little artists! Are you ready to draw something super fun today? Let's draw a playground slider together.
Yay! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a small house shape. Draw the roof and then add the walls. Now, let's draw the slider. From the house, draw curved lines going all the way down to the ground. Wow, that looks like a real slide. Next, draw two strong pillars under the house. Between them, make a ladder with small horizontal steps. Now, draw some bushes and grass on the ground. Great job! Let's decorate the sky. Draw some clouds and a bright sun above. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Wow! Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Brown color.
La da 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 dee.
Fantastic job, little artists! If you enjoyed drawing this playground slider, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. See you in the next fun drawing. Bye-bye!
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.